The R out at the blue GT350 in a lead foot gray, and just got something from Patrick. I don't know what it is, but said it's a surprise. So we'll see what it is. Open it up and see what he's up to. I have no idea.
I'll hold that for you so you can open it up.
Something in here. Let's see what it is.
Just something small. for the garage when you do your videos.
Hearing loss may occur. Yeah, that's true. That's very true. With these cars, very true. Because it will wake up the neighbors early on a Sunday morning. I'm sure they hear this car starting up and rumbling. Thank you.
Yeah, you do a lot of videos starting out from your garage, so I thought maybe, you know, I saw some other stickers in there.
I got some stickers in there, and we'll throw this up on the wall, so give some people some warnings. Thank you.
Sure.
Appreciate it. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nice. So Patrick was having some trouble with his battery cover clip, so I got some new ones here for him that we'll go ahead and throw in for him. He had his clips were a little bent up on the end when he was putting them in, so we'll get these things in there right and make sure they clip in there right without bending up. See, a little bent up on the end, so they weren't going in right. So brand new ones, looking good. Yeah, look at that thing.
Yeah, look at that.
Thing's all mushroomed.
Bad Patrick. Bad Patrick, yeah.
There we go. All good.
Thank you. I appreciate it, man.
Did you give 3 to Bob?
I didn't. He bought them.
Oh, he did buy.
Yeah, he said he bought.
I remember you
he
said
bought
you
a
were
pack,
gonna get
so I don't know.
Bob didn't even have them.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
this was missing. Mine were missing too, so it took me some time to find the right one. So found them and got some extra ones.
Good deal.
Nice to have. So we're going to get going, get on the road, and get out to Cars and Coffee on Concord Mall and meet up with some friends. Enjoy the ride. That was hilarious. Flew out of the neighborhood. There was a small squirrel right on the line as I flew out. Looked like he was getting ready to run in front of me. I'm not sure if Patrick got him or not, but he stopped, slowed down real fast. I'm not sure. He would have hit that thing with his splitter, that's for sure. And Nathaniel's going to meet us at the Cars and Coffee. So he's going to meet up with us there. I think he's going to bring his drone out and get some drone shots. So Nathaniel graduated with Ronnie, my youngest. Their class graduated yesterday. So they're officially done school, graduated. And now it's time for them to have some fun. Patrick there behind me. He's pulling up. And George should be coming around the bend now. Came on. Got a quarter tank of gas left. That's what it'll cost an arm and a leg. I had to take out a loan just to fill my car up. Hey, you know who that guy is?
That's my neighbor over there.
Nice.
But, yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
It's a good day for it.
Sure is. Sure is.
Got Nathaniel here. Just graduated yesterday, officially.
Yep.
Graduated.
Good day.
Ready to party.
That's right. That's right.
Getting it. Alright, we're gonna call it a day. Can't beat this weather. The weather is excellent. But I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Really appreciate the support. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hit that like button. And until next time, take care.